Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, and I'm coming at you with a Boxycharm video. Yes, a new video. It's been a long time, okay? It's been a long time since I posted anything. I think Friday's video would tell you more about what happened, what I've been going through. But if you have my Instagram, my old Instagram, you probably already know. If you don't have my new Instagram, it'll be down below in the description. Also, my TikTok is still the same. Everything is still the same besides my Instagram. Okay, so let's open up Boxycharm. Boxycharm base box is $25 a month. It's supposed to be over $125 a product. And you have a profile that you fill out, yada, yada, yada. Let's just get up into this. Next month choice was foundation, finally again. So your girl is keeping it. It doesn't matter if this is horrible or not this month. She's keeping it because of next month. If next month is horrible, then I will take this off of it. This is going off. Okay. Yeah. All right, let's get up in here. First thing is my choice item I see, and also the paper pamphlet. It's spellbound and it has like upcoming dates and stuff. October 11th is when Drop Shop is, and that's November 8th is Mega Drop Shop. Woo! I got version 10. Yeah, because it's C21 2021 10 0 1 what 21, and then 10, that's today, and then 0 1 0, that's 10. Yes, I got variation 10. And then it says everything that it is and the prices. So let's get up into this. First thing is something that I didn't even want to get, but I got because I thought that if you choose makeup, you'll get makeup, but all the other things that were skincare got a lot of makeup. And there's like translucent beauty. That's I think Becky G or whoever new stuff. This is, by the way, Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey highlighter palette. I like the whole bee situation clear, so you can see this. I really like this. Doesn't have a mirror at all, but it's like, is it even good for me? Like, is it even made for me? I mean, Beauty Bakery is a black owned brand, but let's see, because I saw it swatched on people and it look a little frosty-ish. Okay, I could work with that for a highlight and mix those two together. That's cute. Okay, that's hella white. That's inner corner white. And then let's just put that up here. I could use that too. That's a cute gold. That's a gold. That's cute. Okay. So this one right here, that is Be Sweet. This one right here, that is Oh Honey. This one right here is Queen Being, and this one is Spoiler Alert, the little whitish one. Wow. And I could work with this. I could work with this. This could go on me. It could go on my medium clients, and it could go on my fair clients. So I'm not mad about that. Only thing I'm not mad about so far. I mean, I took a peek in the middle of when I was opening that. That's the reason why I'm saying what I'm saying. Anyways, that equals $38. So it's over the price of what I paid for in the box. I basically just got it for sale. Next thing is something that I don't want. This is Laura Geller. Something I do not like. I don't like Laura Geller. This is Farewell Dry Flaky Skin. I mean, I don't need another primer, especially another hydrating primer, because I have my Tarte hydrating primer, and I have my Tatcha. No, that's not a hydrating primer. I have my Bobbi Brown hydrating primer. I have like a lot of hydrating primers. Why can't I think of them? I barely use hydrating primers. All I use is like the spritz and then do the pore filling and call it a day. But you know, I'll try this out. Not really happy about this. I saw the different things that you could get, and this is not on my list. This was not on my list to want. I wanted lashes. So this is Glory Geller. This is $32. Cool. The next thing is something that I can wipe off everything with, and I'm so excited. This is actually what I wanted. It was between this and the lashes. Was it between this and lashes or the other one with lashes? I don't know. Between this and something else, and I'm glad I got this. I'm glad I got this because this is something they need. I needed more cleansing towels, but I did not want to buy it, so I'm excited that I got it. What is it? It's Julep makeup remover towels, and this is Julep. I love Julep Beauty. I love their concealer, their turmeric concealer. Oh my gosh, so fucking good. I'm really mad that they're not in Ulta anymore. I'm really mad. This is $20, and it's a new launch. A new launch, yes. Okay, two things that I like. I'm totally liking. I'm opening this now because I need to get all this off of me. Okay. Ooh, it stretches. It has like a little perfumey scent, but it's like clean perfume. Like it smells like baby wipes plus a little floral, but not like too floral. I'm like, ugh, floral. And it's like fan. I like that. I like that a lot. Let me just give my face a little once over. There we go. And it's leaving it glowing. Okay. I'm excited about these. All right, 2 out of 5. I mean 2.5 because I do like primers, but it's a hydrating primer. We're not gonna get into that. Okay. Okay, I said on my profile, more makeup, less skincare. Why am I getting a lip mask? Even though I need it because it's starting to get cold and my lips are starting to get chapped and I can't find my other lip mask or my lip scrubs because my stepdad rearranged my room that I was set up for me packing to get back into my house. Oh, by the way, my house is almost finished. It's only doors left that need to be done, and I need a stove and a refrigerator, a new stove and refrigerator, and yeah, and a mirror set up in my bathroom. But besides that, like my house is almost finished. Also, I need to get a new couch because you know the couch got messed up during the flood. But basically, I got everything. Like my house is almost finished. Finally, right? It's been forever. Been forever. Okay. This is Kinder Beauty. Wait, did I tell you? Yeah. I told you. Yeah, I told you it's $20. Because it's Kinder Beauty Hydrating Lip Mask. This lip mask is overnight lip mask. This lip mask helps repair, hydrate, and nurture lips all day. Nurture lips all day. Enriched with avocado and evening primrose oil for soft, supple lips. Ooh, it's $20 too. Okay. Okay, we racking up some points. Where is that? Where is it? Okay. It doesn't really have a scent. I smell the rose. When you put a lot on, I smell the rose. I just hope my lips don't get like break out, because sometimes I'm allergic to rose. Sometimes I'm not. My body is like iffy that way. But we're gonna see. That feels like really good. I would be mad about getting this if it did not feel really good. If it breaks me out, then I'll let you know down below in the description box. But if it doesn't, this is another point. I didn't actually think I would actually like getting skincare because I saw the lashes and the palettes that were available, and I was like, ooh, I want that. And I'm kind of upset because I didn't get it, because the next and last item is actually a serum, but it's from a brand that I really like. It's Malin and Goetz. This is a brand that I actually, before I even did it in got it in Ipsy, I actually did it in was it Space NK? I actually tried it out in Space NK, so I really do like it. It's Malin and Goetz Resurfacing Face Serum. It has AHAs, 8%. And yeah, our exfoliating and brightening serum synthesize alpha hydro acids and stabilize a vitamin C to help improve skin tone and texture. That is cool. I need a new serum, so I'm actually okay with this. And it's $70. $70 I didn't have to buy. I need a new serum in my routine, and I'm already using their eye cream. Why not use their serum? That's it. I'm using their eye cream. I'm using their serum now, and I'm using a more Pacific cream for hydration. That's what I've been using for my daily skincare. So yeah, I am actually excited about all of this. So I'm gonna tally up everything and then go along with the total. Guess how much this box here cost? Guess. It's over $125. It's $180. This box is worth $180. I am ecstatic. I don't know what to say besides that. I like it. I like everything that's in here besides the primer. But I will be trying this out. I have been messing up with my series about me trying new stuff out. I did try it, but I never did a review about it. But to be honest, my trying was a review. So yeah, first impressions and reviews will be coming at you with the milk honey palette. Well, of course not a first impression because I used it already, but I'll definitely be using it on my eyes, on my cheeks, you know. I would be using this. And during that I would be, you know, reviewing this and telling you if it broke me out or not. But yeah, skincare, mass try on Monday, I would be using that. So I'm excited about all of this. That's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. By the way, hey, it's your girl Kayla B coming at you. Everything will be linked down below in the description box. Don't forget to check the description box. Also, I sell stuff on Mercari. Still haven't sold my Laura palette. So if you're interested in that, it will be down below. Okay, deuces.